It's okay, leave it, you will break it in the process. You can use the board, yeah.
Okay. So this is a reversoscope and how
label the mirrors. Okay. Label the mirrors, put arrow on the light rays. Tell them that what it is. Label the mirrors with another pen, green pen.
I'll use the So this is the reversoscope and how it works is it's just like the periscope. Have you seen periscope? It will be like this. And when you see it from here, and we can see what's over here. If there is a tree here, we can see the tree from.
John, please realize you are in front of the diagram. How do you expect people to see the diagram?
Okay. So this is the periscope and this is the trees right? And this is our eye. And we are standing and watching. And how the periscope works is we will keep the mirror like this. The mirrors will be like this. And the mirrors reflect. So this captures and hits in this mirror, and this again reflects to this mirror.
Mark arrows. Mark arrow, there is no.
This comes here. This comes here. This comes here. And we can see it. And I have made a reversoscope, and how that works is like this. Like so, this is the periscope. And so when you are seeing it from here, so imagine this board is not like this. This is like this. So the same way I have slanted it, then the reversoscope is like this. This comes here and like this. But when we do that, the mirror is blocked. When I get the mirror here, this mirror might not able to see and we can't cut the mirrors. So I made it like this. So this is the mirror. Okay, so this doesn't look like a reversoscope and I have marked it like this. So when we are seeing it from here, it comes like, when we are seeing it directly, this is our left eye, this is our right eye. And what the reversoscope does is, it reverses the place, so our left eye turns into the right eye and our right eye turns into the left eye. It doesn't change like this, the mirror changes it. So when
the mirror changes the vision.
Yeah. the mirror changes the vision. So I'm watching it like this. I can see a sponge in my right eye, and I can see a
Tape.
tape in the left eye. So what the reversoscope does is it changes it like this. So I can see it like this. Okay. So the main usage. Where should I come? So if the so imagine this is the doctor and this is the patient. This patient has an internal bleeding. So this patient has to print what's bleeding, and they will print it. The patient will be like this, and there's a bleeding over here, and when they directly print it, the picture will be reversed. So when they directly keep it like this, the picture will be reversed. So what they do is they'll print the patient and they'll put a reverse printing. That's also why we use the reversoscope.
Is it really the use you found?
Yeah.
Or you made it up?
No.
You found it? Okay.
Okay. So the doctors can do immediate printing and they can see what's in their body. Or what they will do is when the internet, this is their body, and they will, the surgery has to be done here. And when they print it, the print will be reversed. So they can accidentally cut it in the wrong place.
Send me that link, okay? You have those links?
No, I didn't watch a video.
No, whatever it was, send me the link. I want to read.
Okay.
Where did you find it?
Okay.
Can you explain how the light is reflecting to swap the vision? That you have not said at all.
Okay. When I'm having this picture, this doesn't seem to be like a periscope or reversoscope, but this seems like one. And this comes like this and this. It
Mark
reflects.
arrows.
Okay. And this is our right hand.
John, are you using the left diagram or the right diagram to explain? Which diagram you using? This diagram.
Yeah.
So only use that diagram then. No, don't rub it off, it's okay. Just use the right diagram, mark the lines and mark the arrows, please.
Okay. And this is the left eye, this is the right eye. And the right eye can see this mirror like this, and this reflects over here, and this thing reflects over here. So we can see a animal here. So suppose it's like this, it's a spider. We can see the spider there. And we can, in the left eye, we can see a so when we see it directly, this is the left eye. Left eye can see the spider, and we have a what?
Triangle bana do.
Yeah, we'll draw a triangle. So the right eye, if it directly sees it, and the left eye can only see the spider. And what the reversoscope does it can help like. So the left eye can see the triangle. It reflects the left eye. This is the left eye, and this reflects here, not here. It reflects here, or when the spider is here. Okay. I told you that when we are seeing this like this, we can see the what tape here and the sponge here. And so this is the triangle. The right eye can see the spider, and the left eye can see the triangle.
Mark the arrows on how the light is coming, how the light is traveling. Mark arrows.
Oh, should I show it like?
There on the diagram, mark the arrows. Don't you think arrows help?
Arrows help.
The light comes from the object to the eye. You're marking, no, the other way. Okay.
See,
Where is light coming from?
the light is coming from this.
So you
This
have marked
angle.
the.
And we can see the light. Wait, this is coming like this.
Yes.
And we can see it like this. It comes here. Comes here.
Yeah.
That's all. The light reflects to our eye.
Any questions, guys? Anything else you want to add? You, John? Is it done?
Yeah, if somebody didn't understand, then I need to add some.
Yeah, Larry.
Is it can we place the mirrors in any angle, or there is a particular angle on which we have to place the mirrors?
No, but I have made it like this diagram. Also, I have showed this diagram for you, but I made it once, it didn't work. But the mirrors were blocking it and the glue didn't stick properly. It was like this attached to here, so we can't see it properly. And when we have other ideas too, we can keep it in that diagram. Okay, some other questions.
No, I'm asking that there is a.
Oh, you're asking that only this angle can be done.
Yeah, I mean the mirrors should be placed in a particular angle or not?
No, I am only thinking about this. So I got this diagram. So you can also think another way to make this reversoscope or something. So
What she is asking is, when you placed a mirror,
yeah.
how did you decide how to place it? Was it based on certain angle, or did you do it intuitively?
It was
Intuitively, it was an intuition.
no.
Did you place it at an angle?
Yeah, it was placed in an angle. So it should be placed in a particular angle, and then this
But
can be done.
But you did not study the angles properly, right? I know you.
First, I tried the periscope like this, and then it wasn't right. Then
What is the angle? How do you decide how to place a mirror?
okay. So then how to do? So this is the periscope. These are the mirrors. And I found it out. So this thing comes like this. This periscope comes like. So that I keep the mirrors here and here. So this diagram, this I found out. So the red thing is the mirrors, and then I found out when we are keeping it like this text here. But this is the diagram, so everybody thinks, why can't you make it in the same diagram? But when we are making it,
John, sorry to interrupt. You're not answering her question. She asked whether you decided on a particular angle at which you have to place the mirror.
yeah,
Did you or did you not?
yes I did.
What angle it is? How did you place using the angle? Is her question.
No, I didn't understand.
Did you use an angle to place a mirror? Angle protractor? Did you use a protractor?
No.
Exactly. So you did not do it based on angles.
Yeah.
You did it by experimenting. That how should I place? By
Yeah.
hit and trial basically. You did it by hit and trial, right?
Yeah.
You did not use angles, right?
Yeah.
He did not use angles. Okay.
Any other questions?
Can you give one more example of its use?
Not really.
Anything else you want to add?